Something I don't see talked about nearly enough is Panasonic's implementation of Vlog. I really think they got it right, and they got it right on their first try. But before we get started, like this video, hit the subscribe button, and consider joining the channel. Channel members get exclusive access to Filmmaker Alchemy, behind-the-scenes lessons and insights on the business of video production. Learn how to turn your content into gold. So I've been shooting Vlog for quite a while, all the way back to the GH5 when we got Vlog L, which, to be fair, is not my favorite implementation of Vlog. Vlog L was slightly compromised. But once we got Vlog and the GH6, and we've got it on every Lumix camera since, I really think it should be highlighted more that Panasonic has been using Vlog for quite a while, and they haven't had to change it. From my GH6 to my GH7 to my S5 Mark II to my G9 Mark II, they're all shooting Vlog. It's all looking great. And I've never had to once decide, do I want to use Vlog 1, Vlog 2, or Vlog 3? And I think that's kind of a big deal when you look at what Sony did with S-Log 1, S-Log 2, S-Log 3, all the gamut options and variants at work between all those different cameras. It's kind of a pain. And Canon and Nikon, I love that Panasonic just gave us Vlog, and it was just great. It was gold from day one. I don't know if you've ever graded Vlog, but it's really nice to work with. You have all the extra dynamic range as opposed to the regular standard picture profiles, of course, but with a basic cube conversion LUT, you can take Vlog, turn to Rec 709, or you can use a conversion in DaVinci Resolve if you like to do it that way. And you can work with this footage like it's beautiful, right? Maybe there's some slight adjustments that I do because of personal preference on how I like to tweak the color, matching up to a chip chart for accuracy or style, because a lot of color is about accuracy and color correction. But then there's this whole other half of the equation that's color grading and the subjective creativity you want to infuse into your footage. Look at any movie, the most popular movies, and they all look radically different, because color grading is the art and color correction is the science. So if you can blend both to your advantage, that's where you get the best results. And I do think Vlog is really, really nice to work with. And I'm so glad I don't have an S5 Mark II that shoots Vlog 2 or Vlog 3, and I'm trying to match it to a GH1 or a GH6 that shoots Vlog 1 or Vlog A or Vlog whatever. It's just all Vlog, and it plays so nicely with each other. Granted, there are some differences between those sensors, so it's not identical, but it's all the same color space. It's starting from the kind of more or less the same foundation, if you will, and it's very, very easy to work with. Now, does this really matter in the grand scheme of things? Like, no, probably not, but I do want to give them credit. Panasonic, Lumix, they were smart. They got Vlog right from the beginning. They didn't have to come out with more versions of Vlog. Now, granted that I say that, they probably will come out with Vlog 2 now that I said it, right? I spoke it into the universe, therefore sealing my own fate. They'll probably come out with Vlog 2, and I'll have mud on my face at that point. But at this point in time, as of recording this video, there is the one and only Vlog that I know of. If you know of a different one, let me know. As opposed to all the different, there's Cinelike D, Cinelike V, Cinelike D2, Cinelike V2. Now there's Cinelike A2 maybe on the S1R Mark II. Sure, fine. Use whatever you like. It's down to your preference, what makes sense for your workflow and your post-production. But for me, I love the fact that for years now, I've got all this footage that's all Vlog, and I can mix and match. And it's one adjustment layer to color correct everything. And it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. I'm not struggling converting all my cameras to different color spaces and color profiles and matching it all up and scratching my head going, how is this shot? Is this S-Log 2 or is it S-Log 3? I can't really, I can't tell by looking at it. What was this? And why does it look different? Oh, you changed the gamut, but not the log. Oh, it's S-Cinetone. I see. No, I'm being a little preposterous there. I'm exaggerating. Of course, with proper documentation, you can track all this stuff down. You can handle, any color space conversion that you need to. But it's nice working with the Lumix cameras, just having the one and only Vlog. They got it right. They did it right from day one. And I really, really appreciate that much thought and attention was put into something years and years ago that is still used to this very day. I'm thankful, and I just wanted to make a video about it because I think that's kind of cool.